America is embarking on a new ambitious venture. It is a space-based defense system named the Golden Dome. Its primary mission is to shield the nation against incoming missile attacks. This represents a monumental undertaking in defense. The system will operate from the vastness of space. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era in national security. The Golden Dome draws inspiration from Israel's Iron Dome but aims for something much grander. It must intercept large, intercontinental ballistic missiles. A revolutionary aspect is its focus on neutralizing threats early, even before launch. This capability, termed left of launch, is a paradigm shift in missile defense strategy. Imagine disarming a danger before it even begins its flight. This requires extraordinary surveillance and rapid response technologies. The Golden Dome fundamentally redefines space's role in national defense. Picture an intricate network of sensors and interceptors interconnected and working in concert. The United States views this as an essential step for ensuring safety from threats originating from above. The Golden Dome employs a sophisticated multi-layered defense. This means a threat faces multiple interception opportunities. It is not a single point of failure system. If one defensive layer is unable to neutralize a missile, another layer can engage. This layered approach significantly boosts the overall probability of success. The initial layers engage threats at their earliest stages, including the pre-launch phase. This could involve non-kinetic means like cyber operations or directed energy. Following this is the boost phase, occurring just after a missile launches. Intercepting at this point prevents the release of multiple warheads or decoys. The mid-course phase represents the longest portion of a missile's trajectory. Space-based interceptors would track and engage the true warhead. The terminal phase is the final opportunity for interception. This is when the warhead re-enters Earth's atmosphere. The Golden Dome intends to integrate its space-based assets for terminal interceptions. The ultimate goal is to ensure no threat penetrates the shield. The financial investment required for the Golden Dome is immense. Current estimates project the total cost to be around $175 billion. This figure represents a colossal commitment of national resources. These funds will cover the entire life cycle of the system. This includes research, development, testing, deployment, and long-term maintenance. The development and deployment timeline for the Golden Dome is extensive. Full operational capability is likely decades away. However, initial phases might become operational sooner. Several major aerospace and technology corporations are pivotal to this project. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is a key contributor. Their proven expertise in launch services is indispensable. Palantir Technologies specializes in advanced big data analytics and software platforms. Other established defense contractors like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman are involved. Raytheon Technologies also brings its extensive experience in missile defense. It is a collaborative effort, uniting titans of technology and defense. The foremost objective of the Golden Dome is clear. It aims to significantly enhance the national security of the United States. Proponents argue that a robust missile defense system acts as a powerful deterrent. The knowledge that America possesses such a shield might dissuade potential adversaries. The system is envisioned as a guardian, protecting American lives and assets. The deployment of the Golden Dome has the potential to alter the global strategic landscape. For decades, a delicate balance of power has existed. This balance, known as mutually assured destruction or MAD, has largely prevented large-scale conflict. A highly effective missile shield could, in theory, undermine this doctrine. Critics and observers voice legitimate concerns about a new arms race. If the United States successfully deploys the Golden Dome, other major powers might feel compelled to respond. They could develop their own advanced space-based weapon systems. This could lead to the further weaponization of outer space. The Golden Dome project carries substantial diplomatic implications. Managing the geopolitical fallout will be as complex as the technology itself. The Golden Dome project embodies a profound promise. It offers the vision of a future with unprecedented protection. A future potentially free from the terrifying specter of missile attacks. For its advocates, it represents a necessary and logical evolution in defense technology. They see it as a celestial guardian, a sentinel watching from orbit. The capability to intercept threats at multiple stages is a powerful concept. However, alongside this promise, there exists a significant risk. The pursuit of such a dominant defensive capability could inadvertently lead to escalation. Other countries are unlikely to remain passive observers. They might choose to accelerate their own offensive and defensive space programs. This could result in a more dangerous, less stable global security environment. The sheer technological complexity of the Golden Dome is staggering. Building a reliable and effective system of this magnitude is a monumental undertaking. Ultimately, the Golden Dome ushers in an uncertain future. The stars above could become a new battlefield, or a shared frontier for peace. The choice in many ways rests with us.